Hello everyone, welcome for a new video. Today we are talking about... So as soon as we start CapCut, we can see that we have 100 credits for EditPilot this month. I'm gonna click it. You can see on the bottom right, EditPilot, which is a new function. How can I help you today? What I wanna do today is turn the highlights into a cohesive video. You can see I uploaded 6 highlights of a cycling race, and I want CapCut to edit to the cuts and everything to create a final highlights video. Let's have CapCut do the work and come back in a few seconds. Okay, once CapCut has done his job, you can see the video and you're able to click on add to the timeline. Here what happened, I added to the timeline and I can see out of 6 videos, there's quite a few cuts now. I assume that CapCut analyzed the video and assume what are the best cut or the best moment to cut. I'm really impressed, to be fair, because I'm not sure if it's because of the date or because of my titles. They identify what are the ending part of the race, and not only there are cuts in the middle part of the race, but there are also cuts for when there is the final sprint and the final end of the race. So far, so good. You can see on the box the CapCut tell me they did the cuts, and then they suggesting if you want music or effects. And this is exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to request for a few effects, and also I'm going to request the music that can go with a race like this, or in line with the video. You can see that we are in a section here in a box. It feels like you are speaking with AI. It feels like you are like in ChatGPT. It's not just about the text, but in this case it's about the video, and it's about clear action that CapCut does with the video. So it's very, very AI. And like any other AI, it's going to tell you what they're exactly doing at the moment. So analyzing the video content, search for the racing music, add music to the track. We are always constantly updated on what the AI is doing. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. We can see now that the AI picked some music, some good, some no. I'm not gonna show you now. I'm gonna show you at the end of the video, so you let me know how the video is. I picked 1 out of the 3. I would say 1 was good, 1 was not good, and 1 was midway. But I decided to select this one. The only issue there was the music was made, it was too short for the full clip. So what I'm asking here to CapCut, while it's still working on produce the effects or find the best effects, I asked to increase the amount, the time, increase the time of the music, because only 1 minute, it will cut too early. The video is more than 2 minutes. Here we go. CapCut also select 4 effect for us. Not really a big fan, if I have to say, of all 4 of them. I can try. See, this is the second one is actually not bad. The third one is exactly like the first one. I don't really like it at all. And then the last one, again, it makes an extra, keeping it the previous one. Not really happy at all, so I'm gonna skip in this case the effects, but I wanna go a bit more. I'm not sure if it's a glitch, even though CapCut add the full-length music, but is actually a music. Is not. You can see there that it looks like there's no music, but it's actually playing music for more than the 2 minutes. And I would say they edited quite well on the beats, and in line the beats with the cut. Again, I'm not gonna preview anything to you. We are about to finish the video, and then I want you to rank the video from 1 to 10. And before exporting, I want to do one small little thing on the smart suggestion, which is still piloted by the AI. I'm gonna put make colors better for now. And yeah, so I'm just gonna leave this one. Color consistent in this case as well. I'm just gonna add the 50, and then I'm going to export the file. While we are exporting the file, I just want to remind you to make sure you watch the video. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you think about the AI. Rank the video from 1 to 10 and add on the comments your thoughts. I'll see you tomorrow for a brand new video. And make sure you double check these two cool effects.